Paano mag-divide ng mixed fraction by proper or improper fraction? Kailangan muna nating i-convert ang mixed fraction to improper fraction. I-convert natin ang 4 and 2 over 5 to improper fraction. 5 times 4, 20 plus 2, 22. Kopyahin ang denominator na 5. Okay, divided by ang 4 over 7 na fraction. Since this is division of fraction, we need to apply multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay, kunin ang first na fraction, 22 over 5. Ang division sign ay magiging multiplication sign. Kunin ang reciprocal ng 4 over 7. Ito ay 7 over 4. So, pinagpalit lang natin ang numerator at denominator. Okay, bago tayo mag-multiply, ang 22 at 4 ay may common factor na 2. I-simplify muna natin. 22 divided by 2, 11. 4 divided by 2, 2. Okay, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. 11 times 7, this is 77. 5 times 2, 10. So, we have 77 over 10. Ito ay improper fraction. Kailangan nating i-simplify by converting it to mixed fraction. So, 77 divided by 10, this is 7, 70. 77 minus 70 is 7. So, ang final answer ay 7 and 7 over 10. Okay, try nyo rin po ang 6 and 1 over 5 divided by ang 3 over 4. Ano po ang inyong sagot?